Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you another new project. It is a kitchen remodel. Since we have showed you a couple bathrooms in a row here, we decided to switch it up. In this remodel, it was more of just taking out the old and replacing it with new. We didn't change the layout drastically or anything like that, just kind of updated the things that were already there. Some different features of this remodel that we haven't done yet on this channel is we actually sanded down the wood floors that were there to the bare wood so we could restain them a new color, which is a really inexpensive way to change up the floor without having to take it out completely and replace it with new. We also installed a dual fuel 6-burner professional grade stove that had to be vented to the outside. It had to go through the laundry room and out to the outside of the house, so that was a little challenging to try to figure out how we were going to do that without completely taking out all of the stuff in the laundry room. So even when the job seems simple and straightforward, there is always something that is challenging and keeps you on your toes. Luckily, we were able to come up with a pretty simple solution and was able to continue with the project on schedule. Enjoy the video, guys! We have started the demo in this kitchen. In this remodel, we removed the cabinets, countertops, backsplash, and appliances. We also partially removed the face of the pantry closet to determine some pantry cabinet options. We also removed a bearing wall between the kitchen and butler's pantry, consequently having to add a beam.
Good. Okay. So that's what we got in here, yeah. A duct and a pipe. Is that a return?
I don't know, it goes that way, like up in the ceiling, both of them go that way.
Okay.
And then when they get downstairs, they go this way, so they don't think it's a problem.
There's no beam or anything in there, so yeah, I don't know why I couldn't do that.
Beam in the basement, but it's below the floor joist, so it's like you can get down there and get into the floor joist.
Okay. All right, so it's just that and a drain, I guess, right, or a vent?
It's either a drain or vent, yeah.
Is there two? Okay, let's see. Well, that's good. That's good. And I think I'll call them right away and tell them that I don't think there's that much involved in moving this. And if that's the case, then I think we'll probably just tear that closet out completely.
Okay.
In this area, there was a load-bearing wall that we removed in order to create a larger opening between the kitchen and the butler's pantry. The wall was load-bearing, so we had to install a beam for extra support.
I think we got everything sorted out where the plumbing and whatnot is.
Okay.
But yeah, so this will just have to, we'll just have to cut it.
Oh, you got that whole wall down. That's so exciting. Doesn't that look better?
Yeah. Definitely opens it up, yeah.
See, it's gonna be, that's so nice. And it is working, we don't need anything up there.
Nope.
Oh, that's so good.
No, we opened this closet, we opened this up a little bit so we could see what's in here.
Yeah, what's in there?
So we can reroute everything that's in here. Okay, there just like what there's a drain in here, but there's also a heat duct in here as well.
Okay.
It can get moved back into this wall. Basically, we just have to go through the floor and kind of come up and then reconnect everything.
Okay.
So, I mean, there is cost associated with it, but you're not paying for they're gonna sort of even out. So, should we just do that? Go ahead with
Because
that.
that will look better, right? Because then we can have
Yeah,
the
then
full.
we can get rid of this closet altogether. We can use the pantry that we had in the original drawing.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
In fact, I'll order that like immediately. That way, we might even get it here in time for the install.
Okay.
So this whole thing wouldn't be.
Yeah, just sitting there.
Okay.
That's exciting.
Yep.
So, and,
All right, so here we're gonna have to cut our duct needs to go right where this stud is. So we're gonna have to cut that and do the soffit like we talked about above the laundry cabinets, and then we're gonna try to get up into the ceiling then. So we're gonna try to like build a socket here that allows that duct kind of come out right about here.
Yeah.
It'll follow through the soffit here. Then we're gonna poke up into the ceiling
oh,
and run it through the ceiling.
I thought
through
there was
these
gonna be
areas.
like some big thing right there.
I don't think that we have to do that
Oh, that's nice.
because the joists are running this direction,
Uh-huh.
so we should be able to just pop up into that joist bay and come out, up in the ceiling, through and out of the house.
But like up in the closet, probably.
Well, it'll run, just
Oh, up
imagine
in the
there's joists
ceiling.
here, it'll be
Oh.
up in the ceiling, it'll
Oh,
run
and
all the way
go, oh,
through
so
here.
you
You won't see
all
any
that
of it.
stick?
Yeah, the
Just
only,
above that.
just here is where you'll see the,
Oh, that's nice though.
yeah,
Okay,
all right.
yeah, that's good. So that's
Okay,
good.
that's the plan.